Hola, my name is Elsa. I am the PMGY coordinator in San Jose in Costa Rica. Come on in. Welcome to Coronado. This is the place where you will be staying. This is the main building and come on in. Here is the reception. We open Monday to Friday to 8 p.m. in the morning until 4 p.m. Okay, here you can ask everything about the accommodations, about transportation, tourism. Just ask about any information. This is one more of our common areas. You'll have coffee and tea for free from Monday to Friday during the mornings. And also, you can use this water machine 24/7. In this place, you just can study or relax or just practice some Spanish. This is the residence area, 3 different houses: Casa Papaya, Casa Piña, and Casa Limón. Let's go see inside. This is the living room. This is a chilling area with some sofas and TV. This is the kitchen area. Here you can cook, sink, and a toaster, a microwave, and a fridge. And you can store your food here. Also, you find some plates and cups. And of course, this nice table to share your food with your new friends. This is our twin room. 2 beds, 1 desk, window here, also a place where you can put all your things, and a security box. This is one of our dorms, 4 people maximum. You also will have 2 days of cleaning, Wednesdays and Fridays. We have 2 shared bathrooms, cold water here, a mirror, and a toilet paper, and our warm shower. This is our vegetable garden. Here you can find some vegetables like tomatoes and cucumber and peppers. Please feel free to use them when you cook. This is our laundry room. Here you can wash and dry your clothes for free. You only have to buy your own washing liquid. And also, we have here our classrooms. Your teacher will be teaching you Spanish here, and also like a super relaxed space to learn Spanish. Okay, this is more of our garden. We have a lot of plants and also a lot of trees. Here you can play some volleyball, soccer, or read a book, or do some yoga. Please enjoy it.